Hi guys, and we're gonna be doing coloring with a tropical rainforest crayon, okay? Alright guys, so as you wish, my fan's turned on, so yeah, my fan, yeah, good job. Alright guys, listen, we're gonna be doing coloring with a tropical rainforest crayon, okay? Alright guys, so you ready? Here we go. Let's color now. It's a green color right there. See that? I colored with a tropical rainforest crayon. See that? Yep, I know that. So, I'm not stupid at all, okay? Alright guys. Let's go say hi to my 5-year-olds and dad and mom. Hi mom.
Hi.
Hi Lana. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, he's doing this. Yeah. Yep, that's right. Hi dad.
Hi.
Yeah, I know, so. Hi Liam.
Hi.
Yep. He's playing Call of Duty 4. See that? He's playing Call of Duty Black Ops 4. See that? Yeah, I know. So, let's go back in the garage. So we're gonna be doing the insect fly, okay? Alright. We're gonna be doing the insect fly, okay? I'll be right back. Okay guys, we're gonna be doing the insect fly, okay? Alright. So here it is, the insect fly. See that? The insect fly. See that? They're all flies images, see that? Yep, that's right. I'm gonna read a couple of things right now, okay? Alright. Keep it steady. There we go. Okay. Fly are insects, okay? Length of a housefly is 0.6 to 0.7 centimeters. Scientific name is Citera. Lifetime schedule is Pendulum Pinna. Class Insecta, okay? Lifespan of housefly is 28 days, and lifespan of Chicken, 7 days, okay? Alright. So, if you would please, give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. Subscribe. Bye guys. See you real soon. Time to go. Bye. See ya.